Jai Hind students, we are continuing the second video. In the first video you have studied about what you mean by substitution method and how to find the value of the variables using substitution method. In this video we are going to study a new method for finding the values of the given variables. Actually this method is more convenient than the substitution method. So whenever you are solving a pair of linear equations, you can select either substitution method or elimination method to find the value of x and y. So now we are going to see what you mean by elimination method. Okay, so what do you mean by elimination method? Elimination method means actually we are eliminating a variable. When you are given a pair of linear equations, you need to select the two equations and we are eliminating any one of the variable from the given equations and finding the corresponding other variable. Okay, so elimination means removing the variable is called elimination. So now we are going to start the questions. So this is your first question. Here there are given a pair of linear equations. First one is x plus y equal to 5 and the second equation is x minus y equal to 5. So first we have to write the two equations and make them. So x plus y equal to 5 is our first equation. X minus y equal to 5 is our second equation. Now you see, you want to take these two equations and we are going to eliminate any one of the variable from these two equations. For that, what you want to do is, in order to eliminate, we want to make the coefficients of any one of the variable same here. Now you can see from the question itself, the coefficient of x is same here, also the coefficient of y is also same. So here in this question it is very easy to eliminate x or y. Elimination means to remove either x or y from this pair of linear equations. So what I am doing is, you see here, if you want to eliminate y, here the sign of y is plus and here the sign of y is minus. So when you combine this, we know that y is easily eliminated. Y minus y is 0. But if you are going to eliminate x is having both positive sign. So in order to eliminate x, we need to change the sign of the second equation. So what is more convenient, you want to select that. So here the more convenient one is to eliminate y. So what I am doing, I am combining these two equations so that y will be easily eliminated. So we can add this. Adding, what happens? Y minus y becomes eliminated. Now when y is eliminated, we can combine the variable. So x plus x is 2x equal to 5 and 5 becomes 10. Now you can easily simplify this. 2x equal to 10. Therefore x is equal to 10 by 2. That is equal to 5. 1 2 is 2. 5 2s are 10. Therefore we got the value of x is equal to 5. So when you got x equal to 5, you can choose this value and substitute in any one of the equation given. So we will get the value of y there. Therefore, if I am taking this equation 1 implies in the place of x you want to put the value 5. So it becomes 5 plus y equal to 5, that is y equal to 5 minus 5, that is 0. So when we put x equal to 5, we got y value equal to 0. So that the solution of the given pair of linear equation is, first you need to write the x value. X value is 5. So 5 and y value is 0. So this is the solution of this pair of linear equations. Now you can see next example. Yes, now come to the second question. X minus y equals to 3x plus 2y equal to 16. First you want to name the equations. So we can say x minus y equal to 2, your first equation, and 3x plus 2y equal to 16, the second 1, minus 1, and here it is 2. So what you want to do? Either x or y, you want to make it the same coefficient so that we can eliminate. Now you see here, if you are selecting this y, here minus and plus, so that we can easily eliminate, so that we can make this y as a coefficient of, that is 2y. If you make this y as 2y, then you can easily eliminate y. So what you want to do for that? We want to, in order to make this y 2y, we want to multiply by 2. So when you multiply by 2, all the terms of the equation should be multiplied by 2. That is only the correct equation. So therefore we can say first equation multiplied by 2 implies, what happens here? 2x minus 2y equal to 2 into 2 is 4. So this is a new equation, equivalent equation to the first one throughout multiplying by 2. So now you can make this as a new equation number 3. Now the second equation we are using as it is, because already there 2y is there. So therefore 3x plus 2y equal to 16. That is our second equation. Now we can eliminate y. You see here minus 2y plus 2y. It can be eliminated easily. It becomes 0. Now combine the other variable. So here we are using adding. Combining means we are adding here. What is 2 plus 3? 5. So 5x equal to 4 plus 16 is 20. Thus 5x equal to 20. Therefore x equal to 20 by 5, that is equal to 4. So thus we got x value. Therefore x is equal to 4. Now to find y, use this value of x in any one of the equation given. So it is easy to substitute in the first equation. So what becomes 1 implies x value, you want to put this 4. So 4 minus y equal to 2, that is minus y equal to 2 minus 4, minus y equal to minus 2, thus y equal to 2. So thus we got y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. So you can write the solution. Solution is, first you write the x value, x equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. So in this way, if the coefficients are different, you want to make any one of the variable to the same coefficient, then you can easily eliminate and find the solution. Now come to the third question here. The question is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1 and 3x minus y minus 9 equal to 0. Now you can see from the question itself that the coefficients of x and y in the first equation are in rational form. Now you see in the first equation the coefficients of x and y are rational numbers. Okay. So when you keep this equation as it is and when you are solving, it is difficult to do the calculation, so that we want to convert this rational form. Okay. It is more convenient for calculation, so that first equation we are going to change this rational form of coefficient. Our first equation is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. You know that to convert this rational form, we need to find the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now to change the rational form of coefficient, what we do actually, we want to find the LCM here. So usually we will find the LCM of 2 and 3. We will do as 6 as the LCM and we will multiply and make it into, that is we will change the rational form. But there is another one method which is more easier than this one. That is, you want to find out the LCM, that is 6 here, and this LCM, this 6 you want to multiply throughout the equation. That is more easier for you to do the calculation. So you know that 2 and 3 the LCM is 6. I am going to multiply that LCM throughout this equation. So what it becomes? 6 is by 2 plus 6 into the second term 2y by 3 equal to 6 into this constant, that is minus 1. So this is more easier for you to convert this rational form of coefficient. Take the LCM and multiply throughout the equation by that LCM. So we will get the normal form of the equation. Now you see here we can reduce this 2 and 6. So here it will become 3. Here also 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. So what is the next step? This implies 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Thus, we converted this first equation to the normal form. Now, this is our first equation, and already in the question, the second equation is given 3x minus y minus 9 equal to 0. Now, in the second equation, we will convert this minus 9 to the RHS. So, 3x minus y equal to 9. So, this is our second equation. Now, we got the two equations as the rational forms are removed. Now, we want to apply elimination method to find the value of the variable. Here you see x coefficient are same, 3 and 3. Y coefficient 4 and here minus 1. So, if you want to eliminate y, we want to multiply this equation by 4 to make y as 4y. But here no need to multiply because x is already having the same coefficient. And to eliminate, you know that one want to be plus and the other side want to be minus. But here 3x both are positive. So what do you want to do? We want to subtract the two equations. So when you subtract the two equations, we want to convert the sign of the second equation. Okay, we want to change. So what becomes? The second equation, we will change the sign. So this plus 3 becomes minus 3, minus y becomes plus y, and 9 becomes minus 9. Okay, so when the sign of the coefficients are similar, same, you want to do the subtraction so that the second equation sign changes. Now we can simplify. So you want to write there subtracting. When you subtract, you change the sign of all the terms. Now you know 3x and minus 3x, they are eliminated. Okay. Now what about y? 4y and plus 1y. That is 5y equal to minus 6 minus 9. It becomes minus 15. Now what is y? Y equal to minus 15 by 5. That is minus 3. To reduce, you will get minus 3. Thus you got y value is minus 3. Now use this value of y in any one of the equations, we can get x. So how to write? Therefore, first equation implies 3x minus y. So 3x minus, carefully do the calculation when there is minus. So minus y, 3x minus y. In the place of y, you want to put the value minus 3. So it is minus of minus 3 equal to 9. Equal to 9. Now you can simplify 3x plus 3 equal to 9. 3x equal to 9 minus 3, that is 6, and x is equal to 6 by 3, that is 2. Thus, you got the value of x equal to 2. Therefore, we can write the solution. Solution is, first write the x value. So that 2 and value of y is minus 3. So 2 minus 3 is the solution of the given pair of linear equations. So remember students, whenever the pair of linear equations is given the coefficients in rational form. You want to change that rational form to do the calculation more easier by taking the LCM and throughout multiply by the equation, so that we will get the normal form of the equation and we can find the values of x and y. So very important problem. All of you understand this very correctly. Now this is your fourth question. 0.3x plus y equal to 1 and x plus 0.5 equal to 0.y. You can see here the coefficients of x here is a decimal number and here also the coefficient of y is a decimal number. So when the decimal number is coming, we want to remove the decimal form. So here what we can do here, you can see here one decimal place. So to remove the decimal, you can multiply this equation throughout by 10, and here also you see one decimal, so that here also you need to multiply by 10 so that the decimal will be removed. So we can first we can change this equation multiplied by 10, so it becomes 3x plus here multiplied by 10. So 10 into 1 is 10y equal to 1 into 10 is 10. So this is our first equation that is equivalent to the given equation, and here you see here also we are multiplying throughout by 10. So this equation becomes 10x, 10 into 1 plus here the decimal will be removed, so that 5y equal to 5. So that is our second equation. So this is the first step. When we are given decimal numbers, we remove the decimal number and make it to the whole number coefficients. Now we are doing our elimination method. You see, to do elimination method, we want to eliminate either x or y. Here both the variables coefficient are different. Here you can see x coefficient here 3 and 10 different, and here also y coefficients 10 and 5, they are different numbers. So you select any one of the variable and make it to the common coefficient, so that which is more convenient for you, you select that. Here you see 3 and 10. 3 and 10, you know the common multiple is 30. So to make this same number, you want to multiply this first equation throughout by 10, so it will become 30. Second equation, x coefficient to become 30, you want to multiply this throughout by 3, so that x coefficients will become same. If you want to eliminate y, what you will do? Y are having coefficients 10 and 5. So what is the common multiple of 10 and 5? It is 10. So you can multiply this 5y into 2, so that it becomes 10y and y will be easily eliminated. So it is easy for you to eliminate y in this equation because we need to multiply only the second equation by 2. So what is convenient that you want to select. So here second equation multiplied by throughout by 2. So we get 10 into 2, 20x plus 5 into 2, 10y equal to again 5 into 2, 10. So this is the new equation here, number 3. Now you see this first and third one. You can easily eliminate y by subtracting. So when you subtract, the sign of the second equation will be changing, so that we can change this plus becomes minus. Here also minus sign, here also minus. Change all the sign of the second terms in the second equation. Now you see when you subtract, what happens? 10y and minus 10y, it is eliminated. Now see the x, here 3x and here minus 20x. What is 3 minus 20? Minus 17. 17x equal to 10 minus 10. What is 10 minus 10? 0. So minus 17x equal to 0. Therefore, what is x? 0 minus 17. Minus 17 into x, so it becomes division. 0 by any number is 0. So that we got x equal to 0. Now use the value of x in any one of the equations here. You can find what is y. We can select here this first equation. So first equation implies put the value of x as 0. So 3 into 0 plus 10y equal to 10. 3 into 0 is 0. So 10y equal to 10. Y equal to 10 by 10, that is 1. Therefore, solution of this pair of equations is, first write x value is 0. So 0 comma y value is 1. That is the answer. Now this is our fifth question. 5x plus 6y equal to 10 and 7x plus 4y equal to 8. So you name the equation. This is first equation and this one is second equation. Now what you are doing, we want to eliminate any one of the variable. Here you see the coefficient of x are different numbers and coefficient of y are also different numbers. So any one of the variable you want to make same coefficient and then only it is possible to eliminate. So here you see, if you consider the coefficients of x, here it is 5 and 7. So if you want to make this a common number, to make the coefficients of x equal, we want to find the common multiple of 5 and 7. What is the common multiple of 5 and 7? 5 into 7, 35. So first equation you need to multiply by 7 throughout and second equation you want to multiply by 5. Now you see the variable y, here it is 6 and here it is 4. What is the common number multiple for 6 and 4? It is 12. So if you want to multiply this first equation by 2, this becomes 12y, and second equation if you multiply by 3, this becomes 4y becomes 12y. So whatever is convenient for you, you want to select that variable. Here I am going to eliminate y here. So first equation I am going to multiply by 2. So when you multiply throughout, you want to multiply by 2. Therefore it becomes 10x plus 12y equal to 20. Name it as 3. And second equation multiply throughout by 3. So 2 into 3. So it becomes 21x plus 12y equal to 24. Name it as equation 4. Now 12y we are going to eliminate y. Now see the sign of the second equation. It is plus and plus, so that in order to change the sign we are going to subtract. When you subtract, the second equation term will change the sign. So it becomes minus, here also minus, here also minus. Now 12y minus 12y is eliminated. What is 10x minus 21x minus 11x equal to minus 4. From this we will get the value of x minus 4 by minus 11, that is 4 by 11. Thus you got the value of x. Now use this value in any one of the equation, you will get the value of y. So I am taking here equation number 1. So equation number 1 implies 5x. So 5 into value of x. So 5 into 4 by 11 plus 6y equal to 10. Now you want to do only the simplification. This implies 5 into 4 is 20 by 11 plus 6y is equal to 10. Now take this 20 by 11 to the other side. Therefore 6y is equal to 10 minus 20 by 11. Here you see 10 minus 20 by 11 we can do by finding LCM. What is the LCM here? 11. Now multiply 11 by 10. It is 110 minus 20. What is 110 minus 20? It is 90. 90 by 11. Now you see left hand side 6y equal to 90 by 11. So when you find y, 6 into y. So 6 will go to the division when you are transposing, and already here on 11 is there in the denominator. So this 6 will be multiplied by 11. So 90 by 11, this 6 will be multiplying by this 11. 11 into 6. That is 90 by 66. Now you can reduce this fraction. If you take 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Again you can reduce by 2 table. So 11 2s are 22, 15 2s are 30. So the answer is 15 by 11. So 15 by 11 is the value of y. So therefore solution is, first write the x value. What is x value? 4 by 11. Y value is 15 by 11. So this question is a very important question. So whenever you are getting a pair of linear equation where you need to convert both the equation to the same coefficient to eliminate any one of the variable, you want to multiply both the equations, convert any one of the variable to the same coefficient, and you want to apply this elimination method to get the solution. So all of you practice very carefully and do this type of problems. Now dear students, we are going to study one more example. Okay. Here given two equations, 3x plus 2y equal to 7 and 5x minus 3y equal to 37. So name the equations 1 and 2. We are going to do the method of elimination. So what do you want to do in elimination method? Either you select x or y to eliminate and make the coefficients similar. So in order to eliminate, first equation we are multiplying by 3 here and second equation by 2. So now we can see what happens. First equation multiplied by 3 becomes 9x plus 6y equal to 7 3s are 21. Okay. Now second equation multiplied by 2. 5 into 2, 10x minus 3 into 2, 6y equal to 37 into 2. What is that? 74. Now you can see the new equations. From that 6y minus 6y can be easily eliminated and become 0y. So what is the result? 9x plus 10x. Y is easily eliminated. So 19x plus 0y, that is y is eliminated, that is equal to 21 plus 74, that is 95. From this we are going to simplify and find the value of x. 95 divided by 19, that is 5 is the answer. X is equal to 5. Now use this value of x. Here we are choosing the first equation. Put the value of x there. We can get the value of y. So 3 into 3 plus 2y equal to 7. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 5, 15 plus 2y equal to 7. So 2y equal to 7 minus 15, that is minus 8. Therefore y equal to minus 8 by 2 minus 4. Solution is 5 comma minus 4. Understood? All of you copy this question also. Now here is your homework. All of you note down the homework. Exercise 3.4, first question. All the 4 subdivisions complete by elimination method. Okay children, meet you in the next class. Thank you.